How to hide like counts on Thades app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So, to get started, let's open the Thades app. This is your home page. In order to hide your like counts, let's go to your profile page. To go to your profile page, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right corner. Now, click on the double bars to navigate you to this interface. Click on Privacy, and here you can see many options. Now, in order to hide like counts, click on Hide Like and Share Count button. And here, turn it on in order to hide like and share counts. So, in this way, you can hide likes and counts on the Thades app. So, that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.